In the case of this circle, if you are getting a radius 3, if this OB means OA is equal to OB is equal to 3, you can write it. OA is equal to OB is equal to how many centimeters? 3 centimeters. Understand? So all the radius same for a circle. In the case of this circle, if I am drawing another circle, this is small circle. Here we can see that a point, and this is what A means. This is also what a radius of the circle, but this is small, but it measures a radius. For example, it is 1 centimeter. For this circle, radius is 1 centimeter. That means all the radius measures what 1 centimeter for this circle. Understand? So that is called the radius of the circle. Okay, from the center to the point on the circle. So one more thing, that is the diameter. That also you have to be learned. Okay, so small difference only with the radius and diameter. Okay. So what is diameter here? Diameter. Okay, this is the point I told you. I told you if I am drawing this way, you will get what the radius. Okay. What is this? Double radius, isn't it? One radius is here and one radius here. Okay. So this is actually called what? The diameter. Diameter is actually a plane line that is passing through the center of the circle. Understand? 2 points. Isn't it? It is connecting the 2 points on the circle. It must pass through the water center of the circle. Understand? This is not the radius. It will be, you will study it later. It is another name it has. Okay, I'm not confusing you. So this is not the radius or diameter. Why? Because it is not passing through the center of the circle. It is not passing through the center of the circle. It have to pass through the center of the circle. Then only it can be called as radius. This is actually what this is actually what a diameter. Okay, or radius. This is diameter. Radius means from here to here. Diameter means double of the radius. Double of the radius. 2 times of the radius. Understand? This is also a what? For example, this is A and this is B. Okay, this OA is what? Radius. OB is also what? But what is AB or AOB? AB actually from starting and ending only we are saying this passing through O only. Okay, it's passing through O, but what is AB? AB is the diameter of the circle. Actually, if it is 2, this is also 2. Okay, that means OA is 2, radius is 2. OB is also, of course, it is what? 2. And what is the diameter? 2 plus 2, isn't it? That means OA is equal to 2 centimeter. OB is equal to 2 centimeter. OA is equal to 2 centimeter. OB is equal to 2 centimeter. Then what is AB? AB means 2 plus 2, isn't it? 2 plus 2. What is that? 4. Or we can say that diameter is equal to diameter. We got diameter as 4. It means double, 2 times of what? Radius. Isn't it? 2 times of radius. Isn't it? What we got? Diameter, how can we say? Here in this question, diameter, how can we find it? Diameter is equal to 2 into radius, I tried. Okay. So 2 into, what is the radius here? 2 into 2. Isn't it? Same value I got, 4. Here the radius is 2 centimeter. So 2 times of 2 is what? 4. Isn't it? 4 centimeter. So double of radius is what? Double of radius means 2 into. Understand? Double of radius is what? Diameter. You got that? Isn't it? If for example radius of a circle is 8, that means what is the diameter? 2 into 8. Okay, so you will get a 16. Double of, for example, this centimeter is 18, means what will be this one? This also 8. So what is AB? Will be 8 plus 18. So 8 plus 8, what is the answer? 16 centimeter. Okay, so that is called the diameter. Okay, so it connects the 2 points on the circle. It passes through the center. Okay, it is the double of radius. So for another one more thing. Okay, the same thing. I told you this is 16, isn't it? For example, this AB is equal to 20 centimeter. A to B is 20 centimeter. That means diameter is equal to how many centimeter? D I representing diameter 20 centimeter. Then what will be the radius? Now we have diameter. That means from here to here is, we know, 20 centimeter. Then what will be the radius? Radius will be the half of this one, isn't it? If this much is 20, that means the half of this one is the radius. So I told you diameter is equal to 2 times of radius. Then what is radius? diameter by 2, or half of the diameter is what? Radius. That means here radius is equal to what? 10 centimeter. Understand? Half of the diameter is what? Radius. I just what opposite of this question. Okay. So if diameter measures 20 centimeter, then radius must be what? Half of the diameter. It is what? 10 centimeter. Another example, if diameter means from here to here is 40 centimeter, then what is the radius of the circle? What is the radius? From here to here is what? This much is what? 40 centimeter. Then what is the radius? Half of this diameter. Then what will be the answer? 20 centimeter. Use the common sense. Understand? If this one is 5 centimeter, one what will be? What is from here to AO is, or OA is 5 centimeter, then what will be AB? This is 5. Then double of it is what? 10. 5 2s are 10. Isn't it? Okay. So that is the relation between diameter and the radius. Okay. So the notes of this one will be given to you. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.